Welcome to Code Fix, where you learn and enhance your programming experience. In this video we have shared how input error name is not defined. The NameError name is not defined error typically occurs when you're trying to reference a variable or object that hasn't been defined or assigned a value in Python. The error message in the error statement indicates that the specific name that caused the error is not mentioned. Here are some common scenarios that can trigger this error. 1. Using a variable or object that hasn't been defined. If you're trying to access a variable or object that you haven't defined or assigned a value to, Python will raise a name error. For example, now let's run this example code. Here is the output you will get. 2. Typo in variable or object name. If you have a typo in the variable or object name, Python won't be able to find it, and you'll get a name error. For example, now let's run this example code. Here is the output you will get. 3. Using a variable or object outside of its scope. If you're trying to access a variable or object outside of its scope, such as a local variable outside of its function or a loop, you'll get a name error. For example, now let's run this example code. Here is the output you will get. To fix this error, you need to ensure that you have defined and assigned a value to the variable or object before using it, and make sure there are no typos in the variable or object name. Additionally, double-check the scope of the variable or object to ensure it's accessible where you're trying to use it. Hopefully this video helps you to sort out the issue you were facing. If you still face problem or need further help, just write in comments. I will reply you as soon as possible. Before you go, if you like this video, you can subscribe for this channel for future videos which can help and assist you further.